Nationalist Congress Party NCP legislator from Gambagre Saleng Marak has said that it is the nature and the duty of the opposition to criticize the ruling dispensation. Speaking to reporters in Shillong, the MLA said that right now AITC is playing the role of an active opposition in Meghalaya. Referring to AITC's frequent attacks on the Conrad Sangma-led MDA government over the issue of corruption, the NCP leader said that the AITC is trying to create a platform for the party's candidates who will be contesting the 2023 elections. Sangma also said that nobody, not even the AITC, can pinpoint that the MDA government is corrupt.
Corruption is everywhere. Now, we have to, look at which are the area where the corruption is more. Maybe we cannot, fully control the corruption, but at least we can reduce the corruption, by attending to those areas where the corruption is more rampant, you can say. So they just cannot say that, they just cannot pinpoint that MD government is the only one who is corrupted. They have to look back what they have done before also. So that way, I think you just cannot pinpoint at everybody, or only with the MD government.
Civil Aviation Minister